If we did not say he should be governor, if God did not use us to say he be governor, would all these statements from? Look at the people here. Look at them, they're sitting there. When you see people associated with increase, they are also increase. When you see people who associate with increase, know that they are also increase. People who can stand, they want to be in power everything. How you know human beings are addicts? When there was presidential election in this country, that's how you know people of character. That's how you know people who will not just because if anything happens. People come to me, say you're taking a big risk. That if PDP wins, that they will chase me out, that they will send me to jail, that the FCC will arrest me. I said, all these plots you are having, do you know the plot of God? Do you know God's own plot? I said in my conscience, I will not support you. I will support Asue Ighodalo Tinubu. It doesn't matter the consequences. That's how you know men of character. It's not anything. It's not anything. And when just of Africa will say so of me, I don't know. It's not about this one. It's about my people. Nobody should say we are second-class citizens. Nobody should say that's why we system. I have no regrets. I have no apologies. If the opportunity comes, I will do the same thing. So I'm not a man you will see here in the night. In the afternoon, I'm saying a different thing. I won't do that. So don't bother about them dangerous. Don't be that. No even amendment swore. I should at least make an amendment, put some originality in what you are trying to copy. Don't bother people say controversial. If the controversial is because you want the right thing to be done, I will prefer it so. People say mind grabbing. Do you grab what you're in charge? Do you grab what you're in charge? I'm in charge of land in Abuja. How will I go and grab what I'm in charge? Those who are grabbing land, whom I'm dealing with. If you don't give us this opportunity, we wouldn't have known the way this country is. Here in Rivers, we thought it was difficult. But when you go to the city, when you go to the capital of the country, you know you are dealing with entire Nigerians. People think that because yesterday nobody was able to implement rules, it means that today nobody will be able to do it. It means that tomorrow nobody will do it. No, it's not right. The mere fact that no government was able to do this does not mean that this the new hope agenda government cannot be true. And that's why I can assure you, no matter the cry you cry, no matter the propaganda you carry, I will do what is right. If that email you really want to be free. You know what person said? Nigerians don't like to comply. Simple thing. everything comply. Because they think of us, you can threaten us, you can blackmail us. It's fake, it won't work. I don't even know whether you're blackmailing me, I'm not interested. My interest is that I was doing. I even tell you comes, I will do it. So nobody should be afraid. Let nobody tell you the story of that story. They went to Omehia. I was the one who I called you and said, see where I have fought. Make sure this road is